Hello students, welcome back to CLARI Concepts, Unleashing Conceptual Learning. For more such conceptual videos and engineering subjects, you can log into our website www.clariconcepts.com. Alright, so today in this lecture, we will be talking about the classification of fluids. Now, there are different categories in which fluids are categorized, and today we will see all of them one by one. Okay. So, the very first class category in which fluid is classified is Newtonian fluids. So, this fluids, let us look at the definition. Newtonian fluid is the one in which the viscous shear stress is linearly proportional to the rate of shear strain, which means that if you draw the graph, if you do an experiment with those fluids and if you draw the graph of shear stress versus rate of shear strain, you will observe that for this kind of Newtonian fluid, the graph is straight line passing through the origin, and those are known as Newtonian fluid, and we all know that such fluids will always obey Newton's law of viscosity, which is tau equals to mu du by dy, right? So, all those fluids which obeys Newton's law of viscosity, they are categorized under Newtonian fluids. And the very simple example of Newtonian fluids is water that we use regularly and also air. These are the common examples of Newtonian fluids. Let us move on to the next type of fluid, which is dilate and fluid. Now, please concentrate over here because understanding this is little tricky. So, when you draw the graph of shear stress versus rate of shear strain for dilate and fluid, firstly I would say all the fluids which are not Newtonian in nature, they are all said to be non-Newtonian fluids. Now, there are various categories in non-Newtonian fluid, one of which is dilate and fluid. So, when I draw the graph, I will see something like this. It is no more a straight line, but it is something like this. Now, what does this curvature